Sonic Sync is now live and is Vukaya's new way to customize how you feel your music. Let's demonstrate by picking any playlist from the app, then jump onto the music player. Tap the mixer icon to open Sonic Sync. Here, you can layer up to 3 therapeutic sounds over any track. Each effect has its own volume slider, so you can build your own soundscape. And the best part? It works on everything. Want a thunderstorm in the background to set a tone? Or forest sounds while you fall asleep? Use the feature to set the mood. Try this out in your day-to-day routine for a more personalized audio experience and customize your vibe with Vukaya.